Hi, we are here at 1233 Camino Del Rio South in San Diego, California. We have an elevator here, so let's take a ride. Mission Valley South. There's the directory. And the machine room is right here. Here it is. Innovation Prestige buttons. Let's go to 2. There's a view out there. And door close works. I believe this was a US elevator. It does not have fire service, so this very well could just be a slap-on. Don't know for sure though. Let's go to 2. There's your call button. I do believe this was US. Except some of the Amtech elevators also have that same door track. All right, that'll be it.